Well, gardening friends, I got this package of seed as a gift, and so I'm going to plant it right now because I want to have some more moss roses out front, Portulaca, and so I'm going to plant this in a flower pot though to make sure I get a better germination rate. But then I'm going to set the flower pot in the soil because moss roses are very good at self-seeding. So by putting them in this flower pot, they will self-seed and drop their seeds into the flower bed. I like to have this flower bed out front that I've been working on, all covered with moss roses. And so I've been taking everything else out of it. So when we get out there, you'll see how things have all been taken out of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some, I got to put a pot shard in here. And that keeps all the potting soil from going out the drainage hole. So I'll just set it in there. Although since I'm putting the flower pot in a hole out there, it probably wouldn't go out anyway. Whatever kind of bugs those are, earwigs I think, they seem to like my potting soil, but they don't bother me at all. Okay, so then I just go sprinkle them on top because I'm pretty sure that moss roses need to be on top of the soil and in full sun. Let's just read it. It says to soak seeds. I'm not going to do that. I hope that's not necessary. Then lightly press on slightly moistened, well-drained soil, barely covering them. They need light to germinate. Cover the drainage container with clear plastic wrap. I'm just setting it outside, and I'll probably be watering it quite a bit. It says here to put it in a window, but I'm putting it outside because this is in July. Yeah, I don't want to start plants inside in July. Okay, here I am. I'm just sprinkling it on top. I didn't get them sprinkled there. Yes, Leilani.
Can I be in your video?
Sure, you're always welcome to be in our video. This is a hole I dug right here. And I'm just gonna put the flower pot in there. So I'm just pushing dirt in around the sides of the pot.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yes.
Do you know where females that earlier have?
Which ones?
Marine and now.
So here's this flower pot, and I've left the watering can sitting right here. And every time I walk past it or think about it, I just put some water on it like that. And look at that. After only 3 days, look at all these seedlings that are coming up from that package of two. Now I don't know if it made any difference or not, but I used cocoa coir with a mixture of about 50% vermiculite, perlite. But I think regular potting soil will work just as well. I think the important thing I did here, which made these moss roses germinate after just 3 days, was the fact that I come out every day, or every day I walk past, and just pour a little bit more water in here in the pot. And I put them in a pot instead of sprinkling them on the ground, so I could keep perfect track of where they were. And I buried the pot so that squirrels wouldn't be digging in it, and wouldn't get it tipped over. I've had a problem with when you have pots sitting on the ground, squirrels are digging at them. And so I was hoping by setting it here and burying it in the ground like this at ground level that the squirrels wouldn't bother it. And I've been lucky there. So I can't believe that these seeds germinated after just 3 days. Today's the 11th. I planted them on the 8th. And in this video, I included the part of the video where I was planting these seeds. So this video here includes putting the potting soil in the pot and putting them in this hole. And I just watered them every day. Left the sprinkling can right here so it's easy every time I walk by to just put some more water on them. So I can't believe that. My goal here is to have this whole bed here filled with moss roses. There are daffodils and misty lilies in there. And here's some hardy geraniums. And there's some other sedum over there. We'll take out everything that's over 4 inches or 6 inches tall. So this hibiscus is coming out. And I'm going to wait till it goes dormant this fall, because I tried to move it before and the stems broke off. So I have nothing but roots over here. I doubt they'll come up, but if they do, I'll put the next one over there. So if you like that video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I will talk to you later on. Thanks a lot and goodbye.